Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper on Thursday. It's Thursday, April the 7th, 2022. We have here not so good news. Only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And well, in this newspaper, no additional. Let me show you. There's no newspaper, no additional with extra puzzles. What I will do today is the additional of the yesterday's edition, the Wednesday edition. There are, I believe, 3 puzzles left. I will continue with the puzzles in the Wednesday edition. No extra puzzles, no additional. So after this regular Sudoku, we will continue with the yesterday's edition. Alright, Sudoku Medium number. This will be number 4373. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, this will be a 1 star. Maybe easier than the 1 star because the 1 star has 27 printed digits, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Maybe this one 40 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about the 4 in this row? 4 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see that 4, no 4 there. Here, 4, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Then how about interesting. Oh, why I place a 6 there? I cannot believe this. It's not good. Should be a 4. Okay. Again, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. You see that 4, no 4 there, here, 4, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. My brain is malfunction, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in the second row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here 3 in the third column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1, 7, 5. Then let me see. Yeah. I'm thinking. The 8 in this row. The 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers. In this row, one of the missing number in this row is the number 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. Here 5 in this column, so no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. Okay. Then no 1, 2 and the 7. 2 and 7. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. 7, 7. Yeah. Okay, come on. It's taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. It's a 2. We see here 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in this row, so no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. 4, 4. 4, 4. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 could be here, or there. Another 4 there, so no 4 in this box. Here also 4 in the middle column, so no 4 in that box. 1 box left for the 4. Should be here. Alright. Okay. Then 1, 1. 2, 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here, could be there in this row. We see here 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6, should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. The only box left in this row for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2 are missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. How about these 3 missing numbers? 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9. Let me mark those. 3, 5, 9. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? The 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7. Okay. Then 175 175 55 come on, it's taking too long. 3, 5, 9, 9. Come on. 6, 6. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Okay, 2, 2. How about 5, 5, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in the 3rd row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be here. 8 in the 3rd row, 8 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Okay. Okay. Then 3, 3. 9, 3, 6, 6. Okay. 6 in this row, 6 in the 3rd row. So the row between the 2nd row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this row, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so the row below. There are only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. That means in this column, the first column, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. Well, we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. So no 1 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 1 in the first column should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7, we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, 7 7, 2 2 2 2 2, 7 2 and the 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of those missing numbers are, we have a 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 2 5 and 7. 2 5 7, 2 5 7. Look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this first row. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. We have a 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this first row for number 1. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, 8 and the 9 is missing, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 there, no 7 there, 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. And these 3 missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4, 5, 6 and a 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this last column. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and a 4. So 1 that you left in this big square for number 7. Then 3 and 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, so 2 numbers left in this big square, 4, 6, 7. This should be the 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Alright. Then 1, 1. Okay, 2, 2. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Then 9 and 5. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. I've marked this these boxes 3, 5, 9. We have a 9 there, so 3 and the 5, 3 and a 5 are missing. We see there are 5 in this column, so no 5 there, 5 should be here. And the 3 goes and there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. So 2 numbers left here, the 6 and the 8, 6 and the 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 6, it goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Final number in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. Finish in 60 minutes. Not faster than 50 minutes. Well, let me give this a 2 star. 2 stars, yes. Although it has 28 printed digits. Need to think hard. But I've managed again to solve this puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And, well, before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 7 weeks. We have here 576, 576, 342, 342, and 728, 728. Here we have the 7 as a pair, the 2 as a pair, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 2 pairs. All right, thank you. And later on, we will continue. So see you then. Bye-bye for now.